Good afternoon, everyone. It's nearly 1 o'clock. We'll be able to generate a new trading card. Just waiting for that candle to finish. We have a sell. Just to remind you, we have some news now, 1:30. We need to be mindful of those news. If you put your stop loss, you'll be absolutely fine. Just be mindful, we have some news coming now, 1:30. Okay, red folders, we need to always check on Forex Factory or TradingView. You can see those folders. When it's red, you can click on that folder and read a little bit about that as well. You start to understand a little bit more about trading, about why the market is moving the way it's moving and things like that. Cam will be with us soon. But yeah, if you got on the last sell, you should be in profit. Make sure you put the stop loss or the hard stop and keep doing the same thing over and over. New York opening now as well. And we're just waiting for a new signal. Another minute, I will be able to share another signal. We'll add that to the screen to make that sure you can see it. Just waiting for another minute. I will refresh the screen to show you the next signal. I didn't have time to share that one with you on the beginning of the session. It was a buy. Good probability, as you can see, we went from the range, nearly TP1, but let's see when we refresh again, where we can see that trading card. We call that trading card is the machine learning that we're talking about. And I'm using now the 5 minutes standard to share the results with you. And you have the best entry, stop loss, and the hard stop. That is the most important things that you need to look. And the three things on the top, we want at least to be green on the top. That will be the best entry point when it's green on the top. But if it's on that range, most of the time we can go for TP1, TP2 as well. And you just need to be patient, okay? And let's refresh. As you can see, the buy confidence is there. We have the green and you have the range as well. TP1 91.81, as you can see there. We're nearly on TP1. If you enter in that trade, you know what you need to do. As soon as in TP1, book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. Moving stop loss to break even should be on your entry point. Moving stop loss to your entry point. Instead to have the stop loss at 87.64, you will move your stop loss to entry point. Okay. That is nearly TP2. If you didn't book profits, don't leave money on the table, guys. Book some profits. You can keep the runners to do the hard lift for you, but book your profits, okay? Scalping, remember, in and out. Take the money and go away. Say thank you, be grateful, and that's it. We went straight away nearly TP2. I hope so you're booking some profits on that trade. It was easy entry and easy TP. Remember, we have some news now. 1:30 in 20 minutes. Just be mindful of that as well. Nearly TP2 on that one. I hope so you book some profits already. Don't leave the money there. And your stop loss on break even now. We have been all the way down to 44 today already. And the top of the range today was 44.62. We already reached 44.62. And the bottom of the range 43.66. As you can see, nearly 1,000 pips of range from the top of the day and from the bottom of the day. It's a huge movement on the market. And if you're doing the right thing over and over, the manual, you know the guides how to do it. Press the button, enter the trade, take the TPs and move your stop loss to break even. And always put stop loss, okay? Always. Before you take TP or anything, put your stop loss. Protect your capital. And moving stop loss to break even is the same step. Protect your capital. Still a strong buy, as you can see. You can enter, put your stop loss, and take your profits. That was on the range. You should be positive by now. If you enter on the bottom of the range, you should be positive by now. Just book your profits. Nearly TP1 from the bottom of the range. Let me know if you're booking your profits already, how you're doing with that signal. I will keep repeating for you, don't leave money on the table, just book your profits, okay? That's TP1. You can be a risk-free trading now. You can move your stop loss to break even. That is moving your stop loss to entry point. And make sure you book some profits. It's more than TP1 right now. Let me know if you booked profits. If you're still waiting, please move your stop loss to break even. Don't leave any room for mistakes. Move your stop loss to break even. And if that price comes back to the range, you'll be out of it, but you will not go to stop loss anymore. That's why it's important. Take some money, move your stop loss to break even. We have been to 44 already after the London session that we had on the morning. 43.92. $93.22 will be TP2, and we are nearly there. Let me refresh again. You can hold that if you want, or you can book the profits, and we refreshing now. As you can see, another powerful buy between 91 and 92. You can see the rest of the numbers there as well if you want to be precise, and stop loss at 90.30. As you can see, the stop loss there. If you want the hard stop, is there as well, 87. I don't trade with hard stop, I'm using the stop loss. Okay, and that's the range. TP2 will be 94.40. That's another signal, by the way, guys. We are refresh after 5 minutes. If you book your profits on the last one, amazing. That's a new signal. Reminding you, we have some news in 15 minutes. Be mindful of that as well. If you don't want to trade on the news, it's absolutely fine. Just wait for the news, and then you can carry on trading after that. If you enter the last one, put only the stop loss that is reaching your stop loss, or nearly the hard stop as well. That's why I like to trade only with stop loss. If I lose, I will lose less. On that case, it was 10 pips only on my best entry. And we're waiting to refresh again and generate another signal, another trading card. The market could be more volatile now because of the news. Just be mindful of that as well, okay? If you don't want to trade before that news or after the news, it's absolutely fine. And if you make your percentage for the day, you can call the day as well if you want. if you have the discipline to do that, 1, 2, 3% a day and walk away, that is the way we want you to approach the market, okay? And
Good afternoon.
time to refresh again. Hello, Khan.
Hey, Matthias.
As you can see, it's neutral now. We don't do anything.
It just doesn't stop. How you guys doing?
Great, great.
Yeah. So I've no running water in my house at the moment. Haven't had since 8 o'clock this morning. But that's the joys of having doing refurbishments, right? So what's the market doing, more importantly?
It's dropping a little bit now,
Yeah.
but we reached the 44. And as you know, we have some news now, half past.
Let's have a recap. We
one.
want to see the market moving. It's dropped. Here's the news. There you go. That is preempting the news, I would say, but let's see what goes on. So this is quite big news. It moves the market, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the way to the bottom of the range, yeah?
Yeah. Have you answered Petra's question?
Oh, not yet. Let me see.
Yeah, Petra, profit is profit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Before Matthias says anything, that's my take on it. If you any doubt, take the profit, but then Matthias will give you a much more scientific answer.
No. It's absolutely that. I think so. Profit is profit, and especially days like today, we have some news now. It's good to be aware of that. Take the profit. Don't leave money on the table. If it's a tiny profit, if you're happy with that, book the profit, move your stop loss, and that's it. It's a risk-free trading. Sometimes I do that, especially when I'm over my target. If I'm trading like now, I did my target for the day, I will be happy with a tiny of that and leave the rest. If it goes to TP2, TP3, TP4, I can book more profits, but book your profits. Get the habit of booking your profits and move your stop loss to break even. It's a risk-free trading if you get that habit.
I think the other thing is, I'm going to put this on the, if I can add it. I think what it is, Petra, is this, and we all do this. I think what's going on is in your head, you don't even realize it, is greed is taking over. So instead of saying, let me take this profit, it's like, how much profit can I make? So try and become conscious of, and I'm guilty of it more than everybody else, right? So that's the problem with it all. It's so psychological. But then if we talk about mechanical training, TP set, stop loss set, you don't have to think about any of that. Yeah, you're welcome, by the way. She says thank you. So lovely lady that we met recently.
That is the news. Let's see, 23. We will refresh now in 2 minutes. Less than 1 minute.
Let's see what happens now.
Yeah.
Do you think the news was already leaked?
Yeah, always is like that, you know?
Yeah, that reaction to the market. Excuse me licking my protein yogurt lid. I had no chance for lunch this afternoon. It's baking hot outside. But we are live. And we don't care. This is real life.
That's true. Just waiting another 30 seconds. Remember, we have the news now. I will refresh and see if it's still neutral or if we have probably.
Yeah. It's 5 minutes to go for the news, right? I've just looked at the time.
Yeah.
Why is the market?
It is.
That's really interesting. The market's moved down so much.
Yeah.
Really interesting.
Okay, strong sell between 82, 83, stop loss 80, and oh no, 84, stop loss 84, I'm sorry, 84, 60, and 87, 95. Remember, big news now. If you want to enter, absolutely fine, but put the stop loss, please.
Yeah, to be honest with you, it's usually not a good idea. And look at your spreads right now.
Yeah, the spreads will change as well.
Mm.
I think so. It's always good to trade after the news, half an hour after the news.
I need to set this call. Hey, Carol. Yeah. Give me 1 second to mute myself on something that I'm on.
If I'm trading on the news now, I will trade with hard stop, guys. I will not use the stop loss. You need to give some more room for the trading. As you can see, if you put only the stop loss on the last one that we refresh, 84, that is 84.60 is the stop loss there, but it's to protect you. If you're using the hard stop, is 87.95, nearly 88. And here is coming the news and another candle as well. We'll be able to refresh soon in 2 minutes. You will see the spreads are moving now, and you will see some volatility as well, some fast-paced candles. That is because of the news, okay? Another 1 minute. And news are coming. Let's see what we'll do on the market. I will refresh as well to see what we will have, if it's a sell or buy or neutral. Is still a sell for me, but it's not as strong. If you are on the sell before, you'll be out now. Remember, news. That is the movement that we're having.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Matthias?
Yep. Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Oh, sorry. Look at that. There's the news,
Yeah.
right?
That's the news, yeah.
That's the news.
Yeah,
So we go here.
If you get stuck on the sell, that will be stop loss for you or hard stop.
What are we selling?
Was not strong. Was the sell before that. Yeah. Was not strong enough.
Well, that's a skill, isn't it? You need to follow from experience.
Yeah.
And you'll see it. You'll recognize these things.
That's the news. Let's see if it will be a buy or
So there's
just a
the
push
day.
up.
So it was down to here, taken out some of this selling candle. So that's the news over with. Let's have a look at the hours, actually. It's always interesting.
The hour is good one, yeah.
Yeah. So it's apart from hitting that, it's really been ranging.
Yeah.
Nothing major to speak of. So even, I'm going to expand this candle out for you guys. Sorry, not short and fat, thin and long. So even though this looks immense, so we look at the movement here. So I'm going to here. Yeah, 43.80 we'll call it. 94. It's only 130 pips. Not huge. And that's the news covered. So we will wait for any more news because they do affect the market. And the other thing that happens is volatility goes up and market start jittering.
And that affects the spread as well. You can see the two lines that you have on your chart. The buy and sell. News will affect the spreads as well. The spreads will go wide or short and move a little bit more than normal. Still fighting there on the top. We'll be able to refresh soon to see if we have a new trading card. Another 20 seconds, we'll be able to refresh and see what we have. Strong buy. between 90 and 91 and 92 is really narrow. Stop loss 89.36. The hard stop 85.75. And targets 94, 95, 97. You still on that range? You are in profits now. Nearly TP1. You have been in profits, nearly TP1, booking profits, and moving stop loss, okay? Always, especially now, we have news. We had the news already that will move the market on the next half an hour.
Yeah, there's. Let me see if I'm still. Yeah. What is? I was going to say. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
TP3. I hope so. You book some profits. If you not book profits, do so, and move your stop loss to break even. Then, if you want to forget about that, you forget about that. But move your stop loss to break even, okay? And book the profits. That's TP3, by the way.
Buying or selling, Matthias? I've not been following.
What was a buy? Was a buy signal. A strong buy signal.
Well, great. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah.
4,400. There you go.
TP4.
That's what
TP3
we've been
will
waiting
be
for.
44.03. That will be TP5. Okay? If you hold it, but move your stop loss to break even. And book some profits, please. Don't leave the money there. That can change in any moment, guys. The market doesn't care about you. Always approach with the same mechanical approach. And you know where you enter, you know you need to put stop loss, you know you need to book profits, move stop loss to break even. And keep doing that over and over. As you can see, it's going to TP5 now. And now, please book those profits. Don't wait for TP100, okay? And now we will need to share the pros.
So, guys, we're kind of back to where we were 24 hours ago, just
Yeah.
above 4,400.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
And
were
we-
saying
we
we
ha-
pushed down below that.
Yeah. And we have been there today already. After our morning session, we went to 44 again.
Yeah.
And now again. And this is pushing. It's pushing. Let's see.
There's the 1 minute chart.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments if you booked TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Are you still holding for TP5? But yeah, I hope so. You booked some profits. We had plenty of time to enter the trade, and was a nice entry spot as well.
If you're holding for TP5, then you should be. I would have thought your stop loss would be at TP2,
At
maybe
least,
slightly
yeah.
above, because you always want to guarantee some profits.
Yeah, don't leave money
What do you
there.
think of this?
Don't. Yep, absolutely. Now you have plenty of room to do that. I don't like to do that when it's TP1 because TP1 is very narrow. If you move straight away, when it's TP2, if you move to TP1, it's not a lot of room to the trade to go to other TPs. But if it's more than TP2, go for it. Move your stop loss to TP1, and then eventually now it's TP4. Move your stop loss to TP2, TP3.
So look at this now. We have the day. I need to shorten it, but so we had all of this. So it's reversing back. It reversed back yesterday. So we've had 3 straight days of selling. That will snap back, by the way, regardless of what happens. Yeah. So that's the market. So then what we're going to do, I'm going to do something that I don't normally do. I'm going to look at the month for you guys on a monthly chart. So when we say that it's a bullish market, look at it.
Yeah.
That's August 2017, 18. If you follow my cursor, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we've had these few. Let me tell you something for nothing. Yeah, that's where it's at. $10,000 gold this year or next year or the year after.
Yeah.
Right? I'll squash it up for you even more. We had $81 gold in 99.
Oh, wow.
So in the year December, it was 26 years ago, it was $31 an ounce. Yeah? So when people talk to you about, oh, what's it doing? I went out for a walk. It's the hottest walk I've ever been to. I had some builders, and you're like, so building did some major works down around the corner. What do you do? I said, trade gold. Oh, doing very well at the moment. They haven't got a clue. But, you know, but like Warren Buffett says, when the taxi driver starts giving you tips on stocks, it's time to sell all those stocks. Yeah, so don't listen to any of that nonsense. But that's the trend. That's the trend, right? So we've got to realize that because the financial systems are collapsing. Everything that we know about money, well, we actually don't know a lot about money, is not true. So what do you think, Mateus? We're back down to like 4,400-ish. Is this where the norm is for a while, do you think? Or is it going to come down? Is it going to go up? What are your thoughts?
Let's see. We have been to 44.62 already on the day. If we don't break strong the 44, that could be that range again. We can get stuck on that range. But if we get stuck on the range, just wait for the right trading card and we can keep trading.
I suppose we don't really care, do we? We trade
I don't care.
Trade price action.
Yeah, and we are scalpers as well. I want to get in, get out. I don't want.
That's what I'm saying.
Be...
We trade price action.
Yeah. And that means, of course, you need to have an overview of it if you want to keep some runners, if you can hold some positions. But if you're closing the positions, just close it. Just look. That is TP5. TP5 on the last trade signal. I hope so. You booked profits there. Like Shannon, we are saying now, it's telling you a little bit more about where the market is came from on the month, on the day, and everything. But the way we are trading now, it's good for you to have the overview where the market is going. But we can sell and buy all the time. You just need to have that mechanical approach. Put your stop loss, book profits, move your stop loss to break even. If you keep doing that, the market can break that 44 now is strong. Amazing. If it's not, we will refresh, have a new signal. Right now, let's see. It's still a strong buy. It's still strong on the buy. And then you just need to press the button, buy, put your stop loss, book your profits, move stop loss to break even. Keep doing that, okay? And if it's a strong sell, we'll do the same. We sell, we'll put stop loss, book profits, move stop loss to break even. And that's it. The buy now was between 44 and 44.02. And it's nearly on TP1. Was fast, that one. When I click, I didn't have time to update you. It's already on TP1. That's why you need to be faster on scalping, okay? I still holding some buys, but look, that went to TP2. TP2 already, guys? Please let me know if you are refreshing and booking the profits. If you're not on our Telegram VIP, let us know. We can help you. It's completely free to start. It's completely free to have this trading cards as long as you are with our partner broker, okay?
And we want to know why you're not on it, because there's nothing better going on, right?
Yeah.
If you're trading, this is the place to be.
Yeah.
This is the place to be.
44.06, as you saw that is TP2. If you reach TP2 already, move your stop loss to break even. Be grateful for that profit, and then you can hold that to TP3, 4, 5, or more than that.
So like you said, Mateus, you know, at 11 o'clock, it just about cleared 4,400.
Yeah.
But it's way above that now.
Yeah, it's breaking that now. And we have...
And if it breaks that, then God knows where it will go.
Yeah, it will be all-time higher for the day again, because we have been on 44.65.
Yeah. So that's another 650 pips or 600 pips.
Yeah.
I think it's going to, well, it doesn't matter to me, because in terms of I book my profits, then I've placed some runners down here somewhere. So now we're making really good money on those.
Yeah.
88, 80, 250 pips, 250 pips.
Yeah, the runners are the trades that you keep. You can move your stop loss to break even, or TP1, TP2, TP3, and sometimes that will go all the way 200 pips, 300 pips. That is the leftover you kept there. As you can see, that one is TP3, nearly TP4 now. It's TP4, nearly TP4 on the last signal. TP4. Let's see if we will have another TP5 in 2 consecutive tradings. Let's see. TP5, that one is a little bit higher. It's 44.13, but we are already on TP4 now. I hope so. You're learning how to hold some trades well, moving stop loss to even, moving stop loss to TP1, TP2. As long as that trade is going up, you can trailing your stop loss. That is trailing your stop loss. You're moving your stop loss up.
Mateus, if that gets too loud, let me know.
Yeah, no, we are celebrating. That is the celebration. TP4.
Drilling. Meow. Meow.
It's like Formula 1.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, it's
I
faster
haven't been
than
to
that.
Formula
Yeah.
One race for ages. I used to go all the time with my friends.
Okay.
Yeah, I went to, I don't know, 20, 30 of them. Shanghai, Singapore.
That's nice.
Yeah. Monte Carlo a few times.
That's so nice. Yeah. Guys, another buy. It's still strong the buy. Just tell you that it's still strong the buy. The range is 8 and 10. Stop loss at 7.50. Or if you want the hard stop, 44.03.50. And we are nearly on TP1 on that one. And we'll be nearly TP5 on the trading card before.
So for your education, I want to show you something. So this is the day. Oh, sorry, I just did that wrong. See, now there's half of that candles retraced back. Yeah.
Sorry,
Says
that is
43.
TP5 and TP3. That is
Brilliant.
two TP5s, one TP3, and that is going to TP5 again, the last one, guys. I hope so you're pressing the button and booking your profits.
This day
you can-
candle could turn positive.
You can carry on now, can?
No, this day candle could turn positive.
Yeah.
Look at that now. That's the hour. So
Yeah.
when I say look at different time frames, this is what it's all about. Because you're seeing a bigger picture. Zoom out. Right?
Especially the 1 hour and 4 hours, they are really good for you to have a big picture as well.
100%. 80, 200, 300. I'm like 350 pips up on one of my runners now.
The runners, the power of runners, guys. We talked that morning. You can leave zero. Cam was telling you, I will leave 0.01 or 0.02 on that range because that can go all the way up. Now you have 300, 400 pips up. You can be.
Well, I have two. I had two now on this account. 0.02, 0.01. They're like about 250, 300 pips up. Then I've got 83 to 18 and then on one of my other accounts. That's like another 300 pips up. And then I've got two on the other one, 0.02, 0.01. And again, 88 to 19. So 88 to 18, 98, 08, 18 is 300 pips. 80 to 18 is 90, 100, 110, 120 is 400 pips.
Wow.
That's your week's profit done.
Yeah. Look, days like today, we told you about the news. Be respectful, but don't be afraid. All the signals we got. Look, 2 TP5s, and the last one, I refreshed TP4. It's nearly on TP5 as well. That means will be 3. Nearly will be 3 signals. The 3 last signals on TP5. Please book at least TP1, TP2 on those trades. Don't leave the money there, okay? And keep the runners. Learn how to leave those runners, 0.01, to go and do the hard work for you. And we nearly officially 3 trading cards. The 3 last trading cards will be TP5 soon, guys. I need to put that applause very loud now because 3 TP5s. Please let us know on the comments if you are booking those profits, at least some of that. Don't be afraid if you're not booking all the TPs, but at least booking the profits, please. Okay. That's too loud. But it's 3 TP5s, come.
I'm just posting that in our group.
3 TP5s. The last 3 signals, 3 TP5s. I didn't refresh. Let me see. It's time. Yeah. Okay, guys. It's still a strong buy. Keep holding there. If you have a runner, leave that runner now. Put stop loss whenever you want to put, but that is a potential 44.60. That we have been 44.65 already. Looks like that daily candle could turn in green. If you keep pushing like
pips, Matthias. 460 pips on my runners.
Well done, well done. The power of
this
runner,
is what we
guys.
live for, guys. This is what we live for. Week or 2 weeks for a month's profit.
Yeah.
Yeah. In a single day.
In a single day.
This is what we're teaching you.
Single hour. Come, that is only 1 hour now.
But we did have to wait the whole day. So, yeah. I'll give you your bit as long as you give me mine.
You need to be patient. Look, last signal, I update. I told you to hold the runners. If you hold in 0.01 at some point, we are already in TP3 on the last signal. Do you think that will be 4 TP5s in a row? Let's see. Finger crossed.
Oh, yes.
Come on, guys. Share your profits. Don't be shy. We're waiting for those moments always. It's dropping now. The stop loss on the last signal was 44.19.49. That was the stop loss on the last signal. Okay, but it's already on TP3 right now. TP5 on that trade will be 44.34. Let's see if you reach TP5 on that one as well. The hour is finishing now. We'll be able to refresh again. Zoom. That's still pushing up. Talking about what Petra was asking us on the beginning of the session as well, about booking the profits early is a very good approach, Petra. But always, if you move your stop loss to break even, it's a risk-free trading. If you have more than 0.01, try to leave some of that trading as well open. Okay, you book some profits and you leave the rest. We're talking about the runners, and that is powerful as well. Okay, if you have enough money on your account, you can do more than 0.01. You can start to learn that strategy as well. As you can see now, nearly TP5. How many signals now? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 50 signal on the buy. And 34.96 will be TP5 on that one.
So that's the minute candle. It's still going up.
Yeah, it's still going up.
Still rising.
If you hold some, like I told you to do so, please be free to book some more profits. Or if it's a very tiny,
Sorry, Tess.
If it's very tiny your lot size, it's worth to take the risk. Keep stop loss on break even and leave to the 60, 44.60. Okay, it's worth to take the risk.
Well, no, there is no risk.
It's break even. It's worth to take that chance.
Break even. Don't do break even. Do 20 pips, 30 pips above.
Yeah, at least.
You've got
Yeah.
guaranteed profit, right? And then one of these will go to the moon.
Yeah. Yeah,
So-
yeah. At that point, you don't need to break even anymore. You can keep moving your
Yeah. I've got
stop
3 or
loss.
4 trades now on my accounts at 500 pips plus. And you, Mateus, are better at me than analyze the market. If that goes to 600, I'd be like 1,000 pips on 3 or 4 trades today, and you're done for the rest of the month.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't, I'll still got my 50, 100 pips. Yeah. So I'm booking now my profits at my stop loss is at 100 pips.
And officially, guys, we are TP5 on the last signal as well.
Amazing, Mateus. How did you do that?
It's not me. It's not me.
Guys,
And
by
we
the way,
still-
if you're on, we're pulling about 1 million signals a month off the new system as a collective. And then every signal that you pull feeds data back to the system, how successful you were. It knows when you closed out, when you entered, when you it knows everything. It's the most amazing stuff. A lot of it hasn't come out yet, but it will.
And
Just
we
you guys
have
wait.
another buy on the 2 hours. I refresh. It's still strong the buy, guys. Just to let you know, if you keep holding, it's still strong the buy. Potential 44.60. I told you
There it is.
it's nearly there
60's
now.
there.
It's not far away.
Well, it is 270 pips, Mateus.
Yeah, no, nowadays it's not too much.
Not today, it isn't, right? But it's still within
Yeah.
the daily range. So if you look at the daily range, 365, 465, within
Yeah.
the range of the day.
It's 1,000 pips a range. Big
Mm.
range. But yeah, if you book your profits, that's the main goal, okay? Last signal, the stop loss on the last signal was 44.30. It's coming on the stop loss now. But if you have the hard stop, it's 25. It's still there, okay? It's still there. And at some point could be a retracement as well. Just be careful, okay? Don't leave too much money on the table. If you want to do the runners, do like Kam was saying, always keep moving trailing your stop loss. You can keep moving your stop loss. But at least now you need to be at risk free. No risk at all, okay? If you don't want to move your stop loss 20 pips, 40 pips above your entry point, fine, but you need to be at break even at least. Okay? Don't keep chasing the market.
Because it will retrace at some point to a certain point,
Yeah.
or it could that might be the retracement there.
Yeah.
And then
We
it
never
goes
know.
forward.
We never know when if the retracement will be bigger or not.
Yeah,
That's why you need to protect your capital.
yeah. So there's the 1 minute. It could go shooting up now, or it could start retracing. So always guard yourself.
That's why we have break even. That's why we're moving stop loss and so on and so forth. TP1 on the last signal if you have the hard stop. TP2.
Wowza.
Yeah. And if you're holding, then you can do those things, move the stop loss to hard stop and things like that. If you have plenty of TPs already, you can be more aggressive on that aspect. That's TP2. From TP2 already on the last signal. Why is it wrong, guys? And let us know in the comments, please, if you book some nice profits on that.
Yes. Did you take any money off the table?
As we had plenty. Please let us know. If we don't go to 60, but at least we got on the middle of it, 30, 36. It's retracing now. The last refresh, we already reached TP2. That means you're supposed to be on break even straight away, okay?
Easy.
As you can see, retracement is coming.
It's deep. Let's see how deep it is.
Yeah.
The buy looks powerful again.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
Another minute, I will refresh again. Let's see. Less than 1 minute now. That's the retracement we're talking about to you before. That's why it's important for you to book your profits.
Yeah.
The last signal, the last trading card we sent was already on TP2. That means you can move your stop loss to break even. On that case, you don't wait for hard stop or stop loss, okay? The buy is still strong. The stop loss on the last bar, the entry point is 24, 50, 26, 50. Stop loss 22.84. Hard stop 17.95. 17.95 is the hard stop on that one. TP1 will be 29, TP2 30, TP3 33, TP4 35, TP5 38. That's the range now. We're still on that range. That could be a retracement as well. Just be mindful of that. Put your stop loss, okay?
Always.
Place the trade, stop loss, and then wait for booking profits. Or stop loss, we never know. But most of the time will be TP. If you're fast enough, you'll be booking TPs and moving your stop loss to break even straight away. If you enter on the bottom of the range, you are in profit already. You need to manage your trade, okay? Now we're having some updates on the manual trading team about the pips that we are making on the day. It's just amazing to see that. Those are the runners, by the way. After that big push, the market is just slowing down now. It's normal as well. But at some point will be more movements as well. You don't want to be out of it, okay? Just keep doing what you need to do. Place the trades, stop loss, book profits, stop loss to break even. Right now, we are nearly on TP1, TP2. TP1, TP2, book your profits. Nearly TP3 now.
Brilliant stuff, Mateus. This is incredible trading again.
Yeah.
I'm loving these afternoon sessions.
Book your profits. As you can see, it's retracing now. If you didn't book, just go for it. If your stop loss is at break even, it's a risk-free trading now. We nearly reached TP3 on the last signal, on the last trading card. I really hope so you're booking those profits, okay? Don't leave money there. And even if you're taking a tiny bit on each of those signals, don't be with FOMO or anything, you know? That's normal. Especially if you're starting now, you'll be pressing the button and close and don't have that patience to hold, or you don't have the account size to do runners to be able to leave that to TP3, TP4. I completely understand. But the most important thing is booking the profits. As you can see, it's coming all the way back to the entry point, the range. And if you're out now because you put the break even, that's great, as long as you book some profits on the way. Okay, you protect your capital because it's at break even or nearby your break even, and you book some profits because we nearly reached TP3 on that one. that will be a good profit for you as well. Let's refresh. It's still a strong buy. We're still buying, guys. Range 25-26. As you can see, it's going straight away. I refresh a little bit late, that one. The range is 25, 26, 27-ish. And stop loss 23. And we are already on nearly TP2 on that one. It's scalping in and out. I'm holding some runners. That's why I'm not placing more trades now. I'm just updating you on the trades. I'm happy with my profits for the day already. More than happy. It's not for the day, it's nearly for the week. Whole week covered. Whole next week, because the week is nearly finished as well. But as you can see, days like today, you need to take advantage of that as well, okay? We had plenty of TP5s on the last signals. TP2s, TP3s, TP4s. And on that last signal already, we went to nearly TP2. Make sure you put your stop loss at break even and you booked some profits. Keep doing that over and over, and you'll be absolutely fine. And now we just need to wait for refresh again and getting another trading card with the entry points, stop loss, and TPs. And as you can see, if you are using the system, you have a lot of updates. It's not only the normal signal. If you are in any group on signals, you don't have anything like that. You don't have the probability of the trading goes right. And here you have probability in every and each of them. And you just need to make your right call and book the profits. He's coming back to the range. If he's reaching your break even, don't keep chasing. Just wait, patient, another few minutes. Another 2 minutes will be able to generate another signal. If you reach your BE, amazing. Be proud of it because you're doing the right thing, okay? You book profits, you move your stop loss to break even. Another 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh again and get a new trading card with all the entry points. You can imagine that the power of it is, if you're not using that yet, guys, please let me know. And if you're using, you need some advice, let us know as well. Today at 8 p.m. UK time, we'll have a meeting to talk about that as well. And if you want to be on the meeting, on the Zoom meeting, just scan the QR code on the top. You'll be on our trading community on Telegram, and there you can see all the updates. As you can see, that trade come back all the way to the bottom of the range, and it's giving us all the TPs again, TP1, TP2 again. If you didn't reach your B, great, you're still on that trade. If it reads, don't worry, we're refreshing now. and it's still a strong buy. It's still a strong buy, guys. The buy on that time was 29.31. Stop loss 28. Hard stop 23. TP1 34, 36, 38, and 40. But as you can see, that signal, we
Sorry,
went.
Jess, I didn't realize my camera had turned itself off, but I
Okay,
was trading.
no, I thought you went out. That's why I didn't say anything.
Yeah, I've been
yeah.
trading like crazy over the last 20 minutes. So really ambitious and really good. I hit a couple of stop losses, but I can trade myself, so I can see what's going on, and then we just have a look. So we're still in those trades at where we were from 80, 85, 86. And then we just thought, right, can we get a little bit more ambitious? Really manage to stop losses tightly, hit a couple of them. Doesn't matter. That's by the by, because you will hit something that's absolutely incredible at some point. So now we're in those trades.
The best thing on the machine learning and on the trading cards that we're generating is the stop loss. If you are doing the 5 minutes, especially on the 5 minutes, the scalping on the 5 minutes, you will have a very tiny stop loss. You can always play with the hard stop and the stop loss. And also, if you want to just put your stop loss, it's okay. Will be 10 pips, 20 pips, will be not like 100 pips. Most of the signals providers, they will put like 50 pips to 100 pips stop loss. That is where people get hurt all the time. Here you have 10 pips stop loss. If you keep booking profits, 10 pips will be nothing on the end of the day. And that's it.
And if you don't quite understand Mateus's language or my, just keep coming, message us. We're happy to have a one-to-one with you. Join the Telegram group. You'll see stuff there, and you can be a part of this. It's so easy.
Yeah. And as you can see today, more than 5 TP5s in a row. That was 5 TP5s on the row. Is just absolutely amazing. And you just need to keep pressing the button. And when you learn the skill, is a mechanical approach that we are telling you, you'll be absolutely fine.
Well, the mechanical approach gets rid of the emotion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the fear. It's the fear and the emotion. It's 2 questions in one there. Is the mix with greed and fear. That is the dangerous part of the game, okay? If you control that, the greed and the fear, you'll be doing the mechanical approach that we're talking about. Then you'll be absolutely fine.
So market's consolidating after those big moves a little bit earlier. And we can only, we don't even need to guess, because what we do is so mechanical as to what's going on, what the market's doing. I think there's a big move coming personally, because it's consolidating this bit. If you look at the 5 minutes, look at all the signals. So it does this, then it does that. Yeah. sometimes does that and does this, but it didn't do much of that today. So
No.
there's something much bigger coming. I think. Don't speculate though. Just follow the system and don't do what I'm doing. Just ideas.
And if you refresh again on that 5 minutes, you got a very good entry. I could update that one is already on TP1, but it's
If you're
still
in the
bad.
group, you get the entry, don't you? You know, you don't have to
Yeah.
wait around for us to update you. You need to be in the group.
It's still buying.
So will it break this? So it's frying. So there's some support there, resistance actually. So let's see where it is. There it is. Yeah, just going through this. Then up there, comes back. Yeah, on the hour you can only see it once, but that's where that support or resistance rather is. So it's been to the top of that. If it breaks through that, it'll go to that.
Yeah, that 44.60 we were talking about before.
We've been talking about it exactly, Matthias.
Let's see. Looks like he's ranging now on that area. We're just waiting now for that resistance.
Look at that, so flat.
Yeah, that is the 1 minute, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see straight away. Yeah. But even though now, if you refreshing, you have a new trading card. Even if you are not going to TP5s now, you'll be able to book TP1s and TP2s. That is the best approach as well for you. Don't be afraid. Ranging market on that area is good for us as well. You just need to be patient.
Take your trades.
Yeah. We'll be able to refresh again in another less than 1 minute. Let's see. I didn't update the last one, was in TP1 already. It's still on that range, but as long as we reach TP1, we don't want to keep re-enter the same trading card. You want to generate another one, okay? Because that is delivered already. It's TP1 and it's still on that range. Like I said to you, it's good to have that range. You can keep booking TP1, TP2s there. Another 30 seconds and we'll be able to see where the market's going again.
What is it telling us, Matthias?
If a strong buy or not. Let me just 20 seconds now. I will refresh.
Okay. Been ranging here for a while now since it dropped.
Yeah.
So 1406, 14, about 20-25 minutes. So maybe it's not ready to go up to where the system thinks it's going to go up to.
It's still a strong buy, guys. Go for it. As you can see, straight away looks like 27, 28. The range is there. 25.60 stop loss, 20.90 hard stop. And you can go for TP1, 31.75, TP2, 33, 35, 38, 41. It's still on that range. The first thing you need to do is press the button. It's a buy. Great probability, is a strong signal. Move your stop, put your stop loss 25.60, or if you want the hard stop, 20.90. And as soon as you are in profit, move your stop loss to break even, book some profits. Okay, we're still on that range. If you put the only the stop loss is 10 pips, and if you put the hard stop is 20.90, nearly 21, you're still there. If you reach stop loss, will be only 10 pips on that one from the 27 to 25, 16, 20, 50, 15 pips. If you have the hard stop, you still on the trade. I still have my runners. I'm just holding the runners for now. Yeah, it's dropping now. It's breaking that range. The buy, on my point of view, is still strong. That's why you have the hard stop and stop loss, okay? If it's not the buy for now, it will be the next one.
So what we're looking at, so we've dropped a little bit now. So it retraced back. Where will it go back to? We don't know. Nobody knows.
That's why.
What is?
Yeah. As you can see, it's still dropping. That is your hard stop if you put the hard stop. Now, that's the hard stop. Don't keep chasing that trade. Just wait for the next one. Okay? If you hit your stop loss or hard stop, it's part of the game. It's just giving you the indication where the market is going, and protect yourself, because that can drop even further and you don't want to be in a trade like that. Most of us, we have been holding trades, losses until we
for too long.
Yeah, until we blow the account. And you don't want that. You want to lose like 20, 30 pips, 40 pips. That's it. How many pips we have done on the past hour? It's just crazy. If you lose some, it's part of the game, okay? Don't be afraid of losing.
It's a 5 minutes. There's the 1 minute.
It's still a strong buy, guys.
Yeah, it could snap back anytime. It will retrace to a certain point.
Still a strong buy. That was 16 to 18, the entry point. 20, 22, 24, 27, 31, TPs, TP1 already. Stop loss 14.68 and hard stop 09.98. If you are in profit, if you refresh by yourself and you are in profit, you know what you need to do. Okay, it's TP1 already. Move your stop loss to entry point, book profits.
I've done it and died a bit of a death. But let's see what happens if it retraces back.
He's pushing.
Yeah, it will do. Just when?
Yeah. TP2 already. More profits. I told you it was a strong buy. It's still a strong buy. That went to TP2. I hope so. You're doing the strategy, like stop loss, profits, take it, move stop loss to break even to your entry point.
It's kind of here. So where does it go? Does it go all the way down? Where to? Or does it come back up? There'll be there's always a certain amount of risk retracement if this happens. So it's just how far it comes back. We're saying the market wants to go up. Look at that big, strong candle. This is the hour.
Yeah.
So it's retraced back, which is natural. So next, I think that next level is here.
Yeah, I think the same. I think so. It's still pushing, but if you refreshing and you have sells, that means we change your direction. You just go for sells. Okay, don't keep holding for 44, 60 or 45 because we're talking about that now. The markets will do whatever we are seeing in front of us. Okay, trade what you see in front of you. Don't trade in the future. As you can see,
we have the roadmap, right?
Yeah.
There's no need to be taking any risks.
Yeah. That is TP3. TP3 on the last signal. If you're still holding, time to book even more profits. TP3. Let's see if that is a push for TP5 again. Looks like for me is another push. Let's see if it breaks it. That is. It's still TP3 above TP3 now.
I was going to say if this next candle stock continues, which it hasn't done.
Yeah.
It's not ready yet.
No.
Are we still doing a strong buy for the signals?
We still had and went to TP3 plus. That's last signal.
Yeah. Still 44.32 is TP5. We're at 22. So that's 100 pips up the road.
Let's refresh again and get a new trading card. Another 5 seconds is going back to TP3, as you can see.
Hey guys, who's with us? There's a few of you on the call. Let us know who you are, what you're doing, where you're from. Always nice to know who's trading with us.
and we're still on the buy, but it's not strong enough like before. Okay, I just want you to let you know, if you're on that buy on the last one, book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. If you want to place another buy, it's completely up to you, but it's not strong enough, my point of view. As you can see, it's coming back to the bottom of the range before. And the last signal, if you place it, you'll be at stop loss. Now, it was 20.50, and the hard stop was 15.54. But like I said to you, I didn't see any strong point of enter that last one, and you need to stick with your rules as well, and we just wait for the next one.
Seem to have a little bit of an uptrend. Let's see where it goes.
Let's see. Another 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh and see if the buy is still strong or if it's a change of direction again. Let's wait for that 1 minute.
We're into our last 15, 16 minutes of our live session. We do this 9 times a week, believe it or not. 5 times Monday to Friday at 8 till 10, London Open. And we do it again for the New York Open, Monday to Thursday. And you can come and trade with us completely free. You can have access to all the data, all the information completely free. We just ask you to join us in our group and trade with us. Open an account, a couple of £100. We'll absolutely do it. And you could turn that into serious money every year.
It's tracing again. We're nearly there to refresh again. I'm preparing myself. It's still a buy, as you can see straight away. You refresh it.
Yeah,
you refresh. you need to be fast. Right now we are in nearly TP1. If you have done that, book your profits, TP1.
Well done.
Move
Yeah,
your stop loss
well
to
done.
break even. And if you want to wait for TP2s, TP3s, or use the runners, you need to be at break even at TP1 at least. Okay, protect your capital. Don't wait that to come back to stop loss or hard stop. Protect yourself. TP2, TP2, TP, nearly TP3. Let's TP3 now. Yeah.
Well done.
TP3. Don't hesitate. Take the signal, move your stop loss to break even, book the profits, okay? Don't think about, oh, that will go to TP5. Okay, it can go to TP5, but come retrace again. We are needs to be grateful for what we have and take the profit, okay? And keep booking the profits over and over. As you can see, it's retracing again. But that went all the way to TP3. Last signal all the way to TP3. Let me know if you had time to place that last signal. We went all the way to the range point to TP3.
I thought that would go all the way. It was so strong, that candle.
Yeah.
But we will never know. That's why we have stop losses.
Yeah. And break even.
And break it. Well, and TPs, right? That's why we run a system. We don't just hope, we plan it. Defined outcome. Looks like it may just range for a while now before it makes up its mind.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
We will see in another minute. Or be able to refresh again and see if it's strong buy or if it's neutral or change for a sell.
The hours retrace back a little bit.
Yeah.
Which is bound to be such a strong hour. I think it's going to do this. Yeah.
Yeah, the 60.
Yeah, 60.
45, 50 to 60 today, yeah?
Yeah.
But always follow the system. You have the system. You can generate your trading cards every 5 minutes. If you don't like the scalping, it's too fast for you. You can go every 50 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour, okay? But right now, as you can see, I still think it's a buy. But let's refresh and see. Strong buy, guys. Still strong buy. Go for it. If you went for it, you are in TP1 already.
That's a freaking buy all day long this market this afternoon.
Yeah. Yeah. Very strong buy now, 73, 68, 82. And even though it's not green, when you refresh it's not green, you can see the numbers. They are powerful. Get used to those yellows because the yellows are powerful.
Look
As
at
you
that.
can see now,
There you go.
TP3,
There you go.
TP3 on that one, guys. And you had plenty of time now to book that profit. Go for it. Move your stop loss, book your profits, and that's it. That was TP. Can you see that power when you start to analyze the market? When you see a strong buy, even though it's not a green, you go for it. Just don't hesitate, and you need to be fast. Don't hesitate, be fast, and you'll be absolutely fine. That can go potentially TP4, TP5. I can see that. TP4 will be 35. TP5 will be 38. And if it's not, book your profits at TP3. You already have some money there. Don't leave the money on the table. We will finish the session with another TP5 maybe. Let's see.
Yeah.
Plenty of TP5s on that session, guys. I really hope that you book some profits and you protect your capital as well. You're learning how to move your stop loss to break even. Scalping strategy, you need to be fast. You will get used to it. If you want go slow, go to the half an hour, 1 hour. You refresh every half an hour, 1 hour. Then you'll be able to generate your trading cards for half an hour, 1 hour, or 50 minutes. Okay?
So the market is challenging again. So see this kind of line is breaking through. If it breaks through, it'll get to that 50 or 60 that we're talking about. But you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, this is an hour that it's been trying to break through. And when it does, it'll go to, it needs to get out of this range, the middle of this range, where the 50s and 60s are, which is what we're talking about.
And as you can see, the market is building ranges as well. You can see those formations. When you start to see that, you'll be able to take even more profits because you will get that confidence to press the button even more. But make it simple is the way to go, guys. If you make that simple, make that mechanical approach, book the profits, move your stop loss to break even, and keep doing that over and over. I really hope so. You book some profits on that session. Was plenty of TPs. The last one, we nearly reached TP4, nearly on the points to reach TP4. And as you can see, retracement now could be
doing that now.
Yeah.
You need to recognize this, guys. Sorry, Mercedes. It's trying to push through. Whether it does it or not, we don't know. Because it tried to push through, then it did all this. And it's doing it again. Look, here it goes.
Yeah. And if you refresh the button now, again, I'm completely sure will be a buy, a strong buy again. Will be like in 30 seconds, we'll be knowing that, but I'm sure will be a strong buy again.
73%. I've just pressed it maybe just before you, Matthias. Because I don't press it very often.
Okay, I'm pressing often. That's why I'm waiting for that 5 minutes.
Yeah, 1442 is the TP5.
Yeah, it's still strong the buy, guys. We're finishing the session. That will be the last refreshing. And if you want to do more refreshing to the day, you know what you need to do. Join our community. Reach out to Khan. I will put his number here. And as I told you, I don't like to say that word. I told you. So but is a strong buy again. It is a strong buy again, and TP1 33, then 34, 37, 39, 42. He's on the range. The best entry range is between 28.50 on mine and 30.20.
So go back to that 5-minute thing. So it's retreated back again. See?
Yeah.
So it's trying to push through. Trying to push through this here. Little clump of to that. And we know it's trying to push through because it keeps battering this here. It may come back, maybe 2 days or 3 days later, and the market conditions obviously change from 1 minute to the next. Hence the stop losses and the TPs and insuring yourself.
Yeah. That's why protect yourself, protect your capital, because the capital is what you have to be on the game, to place your trades. If you don't protect you, if you don't know, if you're over leveraging, all those things are bad habits that will at some point will blow your account if you keep doing that thing. If you're doing the right thing, using the right lot size, protecting your capital, moving stop loss to break even, booking the profits, you'll be absolute fine. You more than fine. You'll make money every day. Okay? And that is our goal, to put you on that mindset, because that is the aim of it. For us to be doing that is for you to make money as well. Okay?
Brilliant. Well said, Matthias.
And we nearly there.
We're nearly there.
As you can see, that came the bottom of the range. And it's going to TP1. That is your clue as well to make the profits now. If you are more than the entry points, now is your time to make those profits.
Take the money.
Take the money. Don't keep waiting. we made enough of money on that call for the next week. If you have been trading and taking TPs, is a good way to end the session now, at least with that TP1 or some profits on the table, and that's it. If you want to keep refreshing and having new trading cards, you know what you need to do. You reach out to Cam, you reach out to me. Click on that link on the top, on the QR code on the top, that will put you on our group. And make sure you follow us on YouTube and do a like. That means it will help more people to get those services as well. Okay?
And that's the main thing, right? We know how to trade. We're professional now. I just want to share this because I see so many people in not such great financial positions because things are not well, right? Things are not good. System's broken, right? And this is a great business to be in because it doesn't rely on any of that nonsense. And you can sit with us 4 hours a day, make all your money, then do the rest of whatever you want to do the rest of the day.
That's it.
Well, Matthias, we've delivered 3 or 4 TP5s whilst we've been on the air. God knows how many they've been whilst we haven't.
Yeah.
So we'll see you tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock for our last weekly session for the London Open. Wish you all the best. Trade well, trade profitably, trade carefully.
And we'll see you tonight as well. If you are on the community, we will see you tonight.
Goodness, yes, of course. 8 o'clock. Forgot all about that. Okay, Mateus, thank you so much. You're an absolute angel. Really appreciate you, brother.
You're welcome.
I will see you at 8 tonight.
Okay. And 8
Bye
tomorrow
now.
as well. See you. Bye.
And 8 o'clock tomorrow, yes.
See
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye.